Yes. Here we are going to learn how to make functions in Python. So def keyword is used to make a function. Suppose we want to add two numbers. Then we are going to make a function name add, and we will provide two numbers to this function naming add, and it will give us the result by adding two numbers, right? So I have said you that to make a function we will use a keyword def. Def keyword is used to make a function. Keep it in your mind. Then we will give the name of the function. Name of the function I want to give add. Generally name is to be given according to the work of the function. Like len function will find the length. Like print function will print the values on the screen or either on the printer or somewhere else. And here we are going to make a function add. Then we have to give the name add, or you can give any name because name does not do anything. Whatever is done by the coding. And we are going to pass two values, a and b, and we close it, and then we mark it with this symbol, you know very well, because whenever we want to use a block we have to define it with these colon marks. Now in this block we will define the functionality for this function. So here the functionality is the c is equal to a plus b. This is the functionality, yani ki in c we are getting a value a plus b. Then we will print this value, print c, and here we end this function, and this function is ready. Now our function's name is add, and we will give two values to this and it will give us the result. So this is the making of a function. Now how to use the function in our program? To use our function in our program we have to call the function. We can call the function by using name, like see one example, add. This is the name of the function. We are calling the function and we are giving two values to it, 10, 20, and close the brackets. Means add function will now work on two values. One is going to the a, one is going to the b, and c will get the result a plus b, and print function will print it. So this is a function add made by us. So it is called the user defined function, and we will use it anywhere, any number of time with any values. So first time using it with the values 10, 20. So result is in front of you. Result is 30. Right? Now again I will again call this function with different values, 15, 80. Then the value will be, result will be 95. Function is same. Its work is to add two numbers. Whatever number we are providing it, it is working on that. So let us see one more example. Add 3.5, 6.9. So let us see what result it will give us. The result is 10.4. So because as you know, Python doesn't bound any value to the particular data type. So whatever value we are provide, they are converting the variables according to that, and hence we are getting the result as per our input. So now you can use add function easily. Now you are able to make function and use in your program.